One of the questions I'm asked the most is in regards to the ink purchasing for my Epson T2170. I only use the Epson branded inks. I do not use the recycled inks. The Epson inks are marketed as having archival inks, and they're available in two different sizes. Because of the volume of printing that I do, I only buy the larger cartridges. So that's 50 milliliters for color and 80 milliliters for black. I can tell you that my black lasts me nearly all year, and the color I have to replace a couple times a year. I alternate between 4 or 5 major retailers for my ink purchases. It really just depends on their price with the shipping and how fast it can get to me. So that includes the B&H Photo and Video, Epson, All American Print Supply Company, Dell, and occasionally Amazon if I'm in a pinch. Again, this is for if you're using the Epson T2170, and these cartridges are compatible with other ones as well, but you're primarily going to be searching for Epson T40V, which is the smaller cartridge, or T40W, which is the larger cartridges. And here's just an example as of March of 2025, how much it costs per milliliter and how much the listed price is, but still, this isn't enough information to definitively say who's going to be the cheapest at any given moment, because each of those retailers also will launch different shipping and holiday sales. So just kind of bookmark each of them. If you are in my DIY print class, then you'll have access to a PDF where all of these links are clickable. So again, when you go to purchase your inks for this printer, you're either going to choose the smaller size or the larger size. For the color, the smaller size is 27 milliliters, the larger size is 50. And for the black, the smaller size is 50 milliliters and the larger size is 80 milliliters. Again, I use the 80 milliliter black cartridge and it lasts me most of the year. But I will say that when you first buy your Epson printer, go ahead and get a round of cartridges, because the ink that they send you when you first buy the ink is just enough to get the printer started up. So some people, their complaint is that the ink runs out too fast, and it's not that it runs out too fast, it's that initial setup, they only give you a very small amount of ink. Also, I went ahead and did the math in terms of how much it costs per milliliter of ink, and as you can see, you do save money when you go ahead and buy the larger cartridge. So that's just what I would recommend. It's what I've always done, and it's worked great for me. There aren't a ton of resources online for how to get started with making your own art prints. A lot of it is just guess and check. If you want to save yourself some time, please go to my website. You can go to shakiaharrisart.com or bit.ly/Shakia class, and there I have a full course that shows you how to use your phone just to take photos and make really beautiful art prints. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have questions, you're welcome to drop them in the comments.